The wow signal. It lasted just 72 seconds, but it still haunts scientists decades later. In 1977, a radio telescope picked up a sudden, powerful burst of radio waves from deep space, far stronger than anything expected. The signal was narrow, precise, and matched what scientists predicted an alien transmission might look like. This is where it gets worse. It never happened again. Despite scanning the same region over and over, the signal was gone forever. But here's the problem. Natural sources like stars or planets don't behave like this, and no known human technology could have caused it. The real danger is what it suggests. If it was artificial, something out there tried to communicate once and then went silent. We don't know why, and we don't know if it's still out there. The dark flow. Entire galaxies are moving in a direction that shouldn't exist. Scientists discovered that massive clusters of galaxies are being pulled toward a specific point in space, far beyond what we can observe. This movement doesn't match the known expansion of the universe. It's something else, something pulling everything together. But here's the problem. That region lies beyond the observable universe, meaning we can't see what's causing it. This is where it gets unsettling. If something massive exists outside our visible universe, it could be influencing everything we know without us ever detecting it. The real danger is that our understanding of physics might be incomplete, and something far larger than our universe could be shaping reality itself. Ball lightning. It appears out of nowhere, floats silently, and sometimes explodes without warning. For centuries, people have reported glowing orbs during thunderstorms, drifting through the air like something alive. Scientists have tried to recreate it in labs, but results are inconsistent and incomplete. This is where it gets worse. Some reports describe these orbs passing through walls or windows without leaving damage, defying basic physics. But here's the problem. There's no confirmed explanation for how it forms or behaves. The real danger is that ball lightning may involve unknown states of matter or energy. If that's true, it means there are natural forces on Earth we still don't understand, capable of appearing and disappearing at will. The Voynich manuscript. It looks like a book, but no one can read it. Discovered in 1912, this ancient manuscript is filled with strange symbols, bizarre illustrations, and diagrams that don't match any known language or science. Experts have spent decades trying to decode it using advanced algorithms and AI, but nothing works. This is where it gets strange. The text follows patterns like a real language, suggesting it's not random nonsense. But here's the problem. If it's a real language, it belongs to no known civilization. The real danger is what it might contain. It could be knowledge that was lost, hidden, or never meant to be understood, and we're still staring at it, completely clueless. The Fermi paradox. The universe is massive, filled with billions of galaxies, each containing billions of stars. Statistically, intelligent life should be everywhere, but we've found nothing. Not a single confirmed signal, not a single piece of evidence. This is where it gets terrifying. The silence might not be random. But here's the problem. There are only a few explanations, and none of them are comforting. Either intelligent life destroys itself before spreading, or something is preventing civilizations from advancing. This is where it gets worse. That something could still be out there. The real danger is that the universe might not be empty. It might be quiet for a reason we don't want to discover. The simulation hypothesis. What if none of this is real? Some scientists and philosophers suggest that reality itself could be a simulation, created by a more advanced intelligence. At first, it sounds like science fiction, but the idea is taken seriously by some of the smartest minds alive. This is where it gets unsettling. If reality is simulated, then everything we experience could be controlled, altered, or erased without us knowing. But here's the problem. There's no clear way to prove or disprove it. The real danger is not just that it could be true, but that we might never find out. And if someone or something is running the simulation, then we're not in control of anything at all.